This is the 5-tier LED garage light. Now it's great for garages, art studios, kitchen spaces, somewhere where you need a lot of bright light to be able to see what you're doing. Just so you can see right here, this is the normal globe, and I'm going to switch it out for this, which is phenomenal. This outlasts 8 of those bulbs. It's LED, and it just screws in, as you can see right there. These flip down, you can angle them any direction that you want, and this little cover comes off, and that just screws into a normal light setting. So no extra wiring needed. They are fantastic, ultra bright, uses 15% of the energy as a normal globe, and you can adjust it and get all this bright light anywhere you want. Have a look when we just switch this out. Wow, that is so much brighter. These guys are fantastic. It lights up the whole space. There's no little shadows anymore. Ultra bright. Great for your family's health and safety.